Emergency broadcast alert, human presence verification code 04B. This is a message from the Office of Civic Isolation Management. Please remain calm. As of 11:06 p.m. local time, the National Surveillance Grid has flagged a significant number of households as unverified occupied. This means your presence has been detected, but your companions have not. If you are receiving this broadcast while alone, pause and think carefully. Are you supposed to be alone right now? In recent weeks, multiple cases have been reported of individuals experiencing a sensation known as solitude inversion. The subject believes they are alone, but environmental indicators, shadows, misplaced items, breathing patterns, suggest otherwise. Affected individuals report hearing soft movement in other rooms, even in locked apartments. Some claim lights flicker only when they blink. Others wake up to find furniture subtly rearranged, objects slightly warmer to the touch than they should be. If you're listening to this while sitting in your bedroom, kitchen, or living room, and you feel a presence without evidence, do not get up. Do not speak aloud. Speaking confirms you're real. It's better to let it doubt you. Here's what we've found. These empty dwellings are not empty. In several investigations, forensic heat scans reveal two figures in the home, when the subject swears they live alone. The secondary figure always remains just outside the range of direct sight. Some appear in mirrors, but not in physical space. Others leave impressions on couch cushions, warm spots on mattresses, or recently used cutlery in the sink. There are rules to follow. If you feel watched, never look directly behind you. They mimic posture, not reaction. If you see two shadows when only one light source exists, turn off all lights immediately. If your home devices begin responding to voices you did not speak aloud, do not engage. They will try to convince you they're memories. They are not. They are rehearsals. If you are unsure whether you are alone, attempt this test. Place a chair in the corner of the room. Stare at it for 60 seconds. If you feel pressure in your chest, tingling in your fingers, or hear whispering you can't quite locate, leave the room and do not return until sunrise. One final note. In every confirmed case, the individual reported feeling completely alone only after the presence became permanent. You don't sense it arriving. You sense it settling. This is your only warning. You may think you're alone right now, but ask yourself, why are you?